Hey fams, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be giving you guys the ultimate cleaning marathon motivation. I'm going to be clustering a few videos together and hopefully that would help get you some motivation to, get going, to reset your home for the week and to just refresh everything. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video today.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit.
So I am in my living room and I'm just going to be putting, all the pillows and blankets back on the couches and kind of moving everything back in its place. So I am definitely so excited for you guys to see this video. I hope that it motivates you. If there's any areas in your home that you need to tackle, getting ready for the spring cleaning, like this is a spring cleaning, but I'm going to be giving you guys a deep cleaning spring video. But right now I'm just doing some tidying up, so I hope that you guys would enjoy.
Take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out.
So if this is your first time joining me today, hello and welcome. My name is Shushana and I have 3 different channels here on YouTube. I have my main channel, which is All Things Shushana, and on that channel I do a lot of DIYs and lifestyle videos. I upload 3 days a week on that channel, and I also have the Decor Mama, which is my newest channel, and you'll get tons of decorating motivation. Decorate with me, seasonal decor, all my fall, Christmas decorating is going to be over on that channel, and I do upload 3 days weekly as well, so make sure you check that out. And my cleaning channel, which you are watching, the Cleaning Queen. I upload every Sundays and Mondays at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe to all 3 of the channels. If you are interested in any of my content, I would greatly appreciate your support. Don't forget to double tap that bell and leave me a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for your support.
And live my life off screen, taking time out to be and live my life, hey. Taking just and live my life. Don't take it personal, we just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations, please, and make then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning.
So now we are in my laundry room, and yes, that is a soiled pillow. For those of you who are new to my channel, my daughter is 15, she has Down syndrome, and she is potty training. So she soils her clothes or bedding sometimes, and so I wash it separately from all the other laundry. So this is all the laundry that I have piled up, and it's a mountain. It's absolutely insane. 5 people, you guys, that live in a house, and it's like I can never finish laundry. I can never get caught up. Every time I think I'm caught up, it just keeps coming. It just keeps coming. I'm finding hampers everywhere. So this is what it is. We're in quarantine and everyone is home and it's just constantly piling up. Let me know down in the comment section if you are going through the same thing. And then later down in the video, you are going to see the other pile of clothing that I have to fold and put away. So it's just a never ending task. And I am just over it, quite frankly. I love doing laundry, but I hate putting it away. So I have no problem doing it, washing it, but to put it away, it's like, oh my gosh, I just cannot. I cannot. But in any event, it's okay. It's getting done and it's getting cleaned. And I am super, super excited to get it done and get it all out of my laundry room.
Look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me.
So now my son is going to be helping me to move this hall tree up in his bedroom. I had purchased this for my foyer, but for some reason it's just not working within the style of decor that I'm going for. It's a little bit more farmhouse, though it has like traditional lines, but it does have a little bit more farmhouse feeling to it. And so my son, he loves the farmhouse style, so we decided to just move it up to his bedroom, and his bedroom is going through a major transformation. So that's where it's going to basically be living. And I definitely have another furniture piece that is coming from my foyer, so stay tuned for phase 2 of that. That is coming up very soon, and that's my baby girl Michaela Beasy. So now I am in the kitchen and I am just tidying up, getting rid of these dishes. It's not a lot of them, but I just wanted to make sure that I leave my kitchen clean because I don't like my kitchen to be dirty overnight. So I definitely make sure that my kitchen is clean. Not all the time does it happen. Once in a while there are dishes left over, but this night I just wanted to make sure that everything was cleaned and put away and the dishwasher was started, and I can wake up in the morning and come down to a clean kitchen to start making breakfast. So if you guys enjoyed this video, I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe and let me know down in the comments section what you are thinking so far about this video, and also if you're going through the same thing, washing dishes, making meals, laundry, cleaning constantly. I feel like I make meals 100 times a day. Thank God for a dishwasher. Because my hands cannot take it. So let me know down in the comment section, you guys, are you experiencing the same thing?
Baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me.
So I would love for you guys to connect with me on Instagram. My handle will be down on the screen at All Things Shushana. We do so many fun things over there. All the background stuff that you don't get to see on YouTube, you definitely get to see it on Instagram, and just so much more. So definitely go ahead and connect with me over there. I am on there daily. So I would love to have you, love to see you over there, and thank you so much for your support.
Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life.
So one of my pet peeves is a dirty microwave, and my kids always leave the microwave dirty, and so I'm just going to go ahead and clean the stick-on or stuck-on pizza that is on the microwave plate and just go ahead and give it a fresh clean.
question always. I'm getting tired. We could have breakfast, counting your freckles, close to the west coast. How about that? Why don't we just get a place together? Mornings in our own bed, so much better. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together? You think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, we should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah. La 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 la. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you, 'cause it will ricochet. I won't let it bite. I will look
hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and that it has given you great motivation to go ahead and clean some parts of your home that just needed that cleaning. Sometimes I know it's hard. We just need that motivation, that push. And I hope that this video was that push for you, that you threw me up on your television and that you cleaned with me. So again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to double tap that bell twice so you get all my notifications, and stay tuned for some more spring content that is coming up. Also, comment down in the comment section because I love talking with you. Remember that Jesus is Lord, that He loves you, and I love you too. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.
Deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide.